Hi, my name is Burt Tsuei of the Tsuei Real Estate Group. When you renovate your house, is it hitting the jackpot or is it busting the budget? We all crave the HGTV worthy home, but is the price tag worth it? Can renovations really pay off in the long run? Think modern kitchens, spa-like bathrooms, eco-friendly upgrades, and inviting outdoor spaces. These are the stars of the ROI show, attracting buyers and bumping up your asking price. Remember, you don't have to go gold-plated. Focus on strategic improvements. Embrace do-it-yourself where feasible. And choose durable, cost-effective materials. Smart spending leads to smart returns. Consult a local realtor. They'll understand your specific market, buyer demographics, and the projects that resonate with them the most. With the right approach, home renovations can be a win-win. Increase your home's value, enhance your lifestyle, and watch the investment come full circle. I'm Burt Tsuei. Contact me if you have any questions.